Why am I so stiff? I have no personality. How do I shoot? What do I do? People don't even want to watch me. What's the lighting I need? I just need this to work. Woo! What's up, everyone? My name's O'Malley, and welcome back to my channel where I help you become a digital nomad and entrepreneur. Not getting the results you want on YouTube? I'm here to show you 5 tips that will make you a better YouTube today, right now. Let's go. Speak at 1000% energy. It's scientifically proven the camera dulls 90% of your energy. Even if you think you're talking energetically, it's not gonna come across on camera. Have you ever had that moment where you think you're doing a good job, you're being expressive, and then you watch back the video and you're like, why do I look so stiff? Example, this is how I would normally talk. Like, I'm a more expressive person. It doesn't really come across on camera as much. It's kind of boring. And this is my YouTube personality. This is fun and engaging and you want to watch. Hopefully, maybe, here you are, so you're watching. It's just so different. And I can teach you how to have that change right now. It's a trick I got from Flula, because when he starts his videos, he goes, BAM! It's loud, it's obnoxious, it's over the top, and it's exactly what you need. Try it right now. Pause the video, come back, film yourself talking normally, and then partway through the video go, BAM! And then film yourself again. All of a sudden, you'll have so much more energy and punch and pep. Your video will be so much better. Honestly, I need to BAM more, because sometimes I get a little tired, okay? I forget, my energy dips, so BAM! And you're good. And yes, there are certain topics you don't need to be quite so peppy for. But in general, you need to be more energetic to keep your audience entertained. But O'Malley, I want to be a professional. I don't want to be all silly. Misconception. Being energetic and emotional doesn't equal unprofessional. You need to have energy to keep your audience engaged. A bored audience is an audience that isn't gonna exist for very long. This leads me to step number 2. Unleash your personality. People subscribe to your idiosyncrasies. They subscribe to what makes you unique. So give it to them. Give the audience what they want. They want you. Otherwise, they wouldn't be here. Don't hold yourself back. Don't be afraid about catering to everyone. The world isn't your audience. The people who like you and who subscribe to you and who appreciate you, that's your audience. And don't be afraid of weird. The internet is obsessed with weird. So include all your quirks, all your blunders. Include your dad jokes if that's your thing. Include whatever makes you, you. Do you agree? If you agree, type weirdo in the comments below. Tip number 3. Tell a story. Easy enough, right? Wrong. People forget this all the time, me included. TV shows, those are stories. Books, anywhere you look, there are stories. People like being taken somewhere and immersing themselves in what's going on. Tell a story, take your audience somewhere. Recently, I saw an Instagram ad with a brand I would want to work with. They do beachwear. The ad was good, but it was boring. It was just 2 guys in Speedos walking around like a cliffside rock thing. Which, I mean, it doesn't sound too terrible, but how much better could they have improved it with just a fraction of storytelling? The commercial would go from 2 guys on a rock to 2 brothers stranded on a deserted island, searching for food, fighting the nature, relying on the durability of their swimwear. They have no idea when they're getting home, but they know they can trust brand of swimwear. A story is a way to take something very simple and add so much more complexity with just a few phrases. It's also a good time to incorporate the values of your brand. For this example again, you go from swimwear that looks nice to durable swimwear, reliable, comfortable swimwear. And all of a sudden you're giving the audience more like ideas like, oh, this isn't just a cool looking brand. They're comfortable and they're reliable and durable. It builds your brand. It gives the audience more of an idea of who you are with not much more work. What about a niche? Where's your niche? Do you like niche? Did your niche come home last night? I need a niche. Is it niche or niche? Niche! Plot twist. You don't choose your niche. Your niche chooses you. Step 4. You want to choose the direction of your channel, what you're gonna put your focus into, but your niche actually carves itself out of your target audience. So that's a lot of buzzwords. So basically you wanna pick a direction and you have the big population of people, and then there's gonna be a section of people that especially relate to you. That is your niche. And you can't really guess what that's gonna be until you have more videos out there. Because to find out your niche, it's listening. You have to listen to the feedback you get, read the comments, and kind of get an idea of what your audience has in common, and thus the birth of your niche. It's a niche. Don't get hung up on a niche. You'll pick your directions: fitness, travel, entrepreneur, lifestyle, anything. Just pick your direction, and then you will notice certain aspects or qualities of people that really like you, and that will be your niche. And don't let these people go. When you figure out who they are and what they really like, really focus on providing them content. These are the people that will stick by you. So you need to treat them like gold, because they're your gold. You're my gold. I love you, niche. Step number 5, give your audience value. It comes up over and over and over again. Everyone says it, but it's important. Give them love, give them knowledge, give them everything. Think about it. What was the last time you did something that didn't benefit you in any way? It didn't make you happy, it didn't give you information, nothing. You don't care about those things. They're useless to you. So give your audience value. This is why they're with you. This is how you turn from some random YouTuber to who they subscribe to, who they put their trust in. This is special, and this is your role: to be an influencer, to be someone who can provide knowledge and information reliably. Information is a fantastic way to give your audience value right off the bat. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to know enough that you can provide it to other people. That's not the only thing. There's tons of things you could use. Get creative, use your talents, give them value. That's it for today's video. I'm so glad I was able to teach you how to become a YouTube personality. If you like this video, subscribe below, because I release videos every Tuesday, and give that little bell a tap so you can be alerted when the video comes out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You can also find me on Instagram at O'Malley05. And until next time, see you in the skies. If you get it, do you get it? Think I got it? Good.